Step up on the top one. Sturdy. Okay, can you open it back up for me? Thank you.
The HBTower 3-step ladder is very nice and thin and easy to carry around. It's about 2.5 inches when it's folded up like this. When it's folded down, one safety feature you must be sure to engage is that the top step thoroughly goes down and latches into this safety bracket. Please do not step up on this ladder until it is fastened down all the way on both sides. To unlock the ladder and fold it back up, just easily pull and it will unlock. You can see these slots on both sides. Do not get up on the ladder unless it latches completely down onto these labs. I think you'll be very happy with this.
Okay, so I just got this puppy delivered, 3-step step ladder, and the instructions, the first thing they say is hold the handle with one hand and then push the top step with your other hand. It just doesn't work, doesn't happen. Now if I push the middle step, okay, it comes out nicely, and doesn't seem there to be a wobble, but I can imagine after some usage there will be a wobble. So let's go ahead and close the back again. Now, if you close it a little too hard, something that happens as a bonus is, oops, this guy comes loose. I'm returning this.
Okay, so we got this ladder because we have a lot of tall cabinets in this house and we just need them kind of all over. So I bought one of these and my husband bought one similar from, I think, Home Depot. I like this one a lot better. It's easier to unfold. It's more compact when it's folded. And I feel like it has a wider base, so I just feel more secure on it. It opens up easily, and then to close it, you just kind of grab this handle and lift up. And that's the profile. Like it's, and I keep it right here. And it fits in there just fine. So it's awesome.
I actually have this behind me right here to my, yeah, you can see it there. And this is like one of those fancy plastic composite material things that just like doesn't break and is super light, but also handles a lot of weight. It's it's something I'm glad I bought as a college student who has to move around a lot. Yeah, and I hope I'm probably gonna use this thing for a long time to come as well. So, trusty partner for me. Recommend.
The box just came, brought my stepladder. It's a little on the beat up side, but I don't really care about the box. The only problem is it's missing one of the feet. What do they call it on there? Anti-slip pedal. It's missing one anti-slip pedal.
It's for outdoor use, and it is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and opening. Sorry, a little difficult to do it with one hand, but I am doing it with one hand. Bam, it is open and ready for use. I love it.